Okay, in this lesson, you are going to create a beach scene on slide number 2, and you're to use at least 10 Google shapes and 5 items with no background found on the web. And here's the one that I created for this class, and I'm going to show you how I did that right now. So again, the assignment here is to use 10 Google shapes, and Google shapes are found right here under the shape button. I'm going to start with a rectangle because that's going to be my sky. And right here under the fill color, I'm going to select fill color and gradient, and I'm going to use a blue sky gradient. Next, I'm going to put in 2 more shapes, and these are going to be the water. I'm going to use this, I guess it's called flowchart punched tape. And I'm going to draw that right over one, and I'm going to change the color of that to a light blue gradient. I'm going to use a custom gradient here that's linear, and I will just put a lighter blue in there right here, add a stop and add a lighter blue, and maybe some more white in there. So I'm using the custom gradient, and this end I'm going to be white. So it looks kind of like it is water on the beach. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then just right click on my mouse and copy that and paste. So I have 2 of them that look kind of like waves coming up. And then I'm going to right click again and paste again. And the last one I'm going to change over to be a little bit bigger, and I'm going to change it to be brown gradient so it looks like sand. So there's my 3 colors. This is what I did on this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of my 10 shapes so far. And now I still need 6 more. So what I have up here, I've used the sun and the clouds and a cube and a ball. So let's go ahead and add those. So those are all found in the shapes. I'm going to do a sun, and I'm going to make it a bright yellow. I can use the gradient color and it will look a little bit rounded. And I'm going to do some clouds. Here's 2 clouds. And I'm going to change the color of those to white. Nope, I didn't want to do that one. I want to change the color of the clouds to white. I'll just go solid white. And I'll make that a little bit smaller. And I will do another one of those, another shape, and another cloud. Okay, so I've got my clouds, I've got my waves, and I've got my sand. Now I'm going to, so how many shapes do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm going to add a cube for a table, and I'm just going to make that a white color. I'll make it turquoise, and I will add a ball, beach ball, and so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 1 more. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my my other things that I'm going to search the web for, and I have a few hidden shapes here on the chair. And notice here I also have some drop shadows on my shapes. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to insert image, search the web, and I'm going to search for boat, sailboat, art, no background. And I found, I'll use this one. So I can insert that and put it right in my picture back here. And maybe I wouldn't mind, well, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I want it to be behind my hoop there. Okay, and so now I need beach. I looked for beach, beach toys, no background. Well, that's cool. How about beach furniture, no background? There we go. See what that will look like. Okay, so I can go ahead and put that in there. So that counts as one object from the web because it's all one thing that we found. So I think I'm going to stop there and let you finish, but I'll do one more. Insert image. What did I use here? Beach toys, surfboards. I looked for image, search the web. Surfboards. No background. Surfboard art, no background. And it's funny how you can't find the same ones ever again. Try that one. Nope. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I still would need, I've only got two objects from the web and two items from the web, the boat and the beach furniture. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shapes. And I need a total of 10. My one down here does have 10, but I'm going to stop there and let you do your own art. You can search for different things. I looked for anime and beach toys, so you might be able to use those. So have fun making your beach art scene in Google Slides.